introduction. So what is the difference between OTBI and BI publisher? So why, when there are two reporting things are there, why we need to focus separately for one OTBI and other for BI publisher? And terminology means understanding the core terminology like subject area. So what it will be called? Subject areas. Okay. Building analysis. This is one of the step-by-step process, means how we are going to build the report or analysis report. Generally, we used to call it as a report, but in OTBI that is called as analysis. Okay. Step-by-step guide on how to build an analysis report. Just it's analysis only. So advanced features. So how in a particular OTBI analysis report, we are going to include graphs and pivot tables and all these things. What are the different subject areas? So what are the different subject areas which are really important to build the reports? And what are the different best practices? So all these things we are going to cover in our OTBI training part. Okay, introduction to OTBI. So OTBI, what is meant by OTBI? OTBI means Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence. Transactional. So that is the main key difference here. BI and OTBI. What is the key difference is transactional. Means suppose you hired 10 employees in this month. So that is called as a transaction. You have done, suppose, let us take, we have done some payments with PhonePe. So how many payments you have done in this month? So we will get some report, right? How many transactions you have done. So what in that report, what it will be showing? So how many transactions you have done and who are those details? So all these things will be given by this transactional, Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence report. It's a real-time self-servicing reporting tool embedded within Oracle HCM Cloud applications. You don't have to do anything. So Oracle itself has given within the Oracle HCM Cloud, means Oracle Fusion Cloud. Within the Oracle Fusion Cloud itself, it was embedded. You don't have to do anything. You just have to go to the place and you have to prepare your analysis. So purpose. So without having SQL knowledge, suppose most of the business users, okay, like HR specialist or any chief HR officer or particularly talent acquisition team or anyone or any of the talent acquisition team, means who don't have any kind of technical knowledge. They are just business people and they want to prepare a report with having a basic knowledge. They don't have to have a very good knowledge also. Just with the basic knowledge also, they can prepare their own reports. It's a kind of self-service. They can prepare their own report, just drag and drop, and they can prepare their own report. That's why what we have told, it's a self-servicing reporting tool. They don't have to depend upon particular technical person to come and build the report. That BI publisher report is completely a technical person job. Whereas OTBI, the functional people like HR specialist or payroll administrator or like talent acquisition team or benefits administrator or anybody, like even chief HR officer, anybody they can build their own report based upon their own requirements. Okay. So what is the data source to build this report? So Oracle will maintain separate tables called transactional tables, OLTP, online transactional OLTP. Something is there, online transactional processing. They will maintain all this all these transactions in separate tables called transactional tables. Okay, and with the help of that one, you don't have, the report is also very fast. It won't take much time. Just by clicking that one, you will get the report. Okay, so real time data is available for reporting immediately. You don't have to wait for so much time also. It's very fast compared to BA reports. OTBI reports are very fast. Okay, so this is a basic overview of OTBI. Okay, so how we are going to transforming the data into useful insights. So you're having a raw data, raw and unstructured data. So what Oracle will do is it will extract the data with the help of logical layer and based upon ad hoc query. Who will build this query is business users will build the query by just drag and drop. And based upon the query, it will provide the real-time insights. Okay, from the raw data to real-time insights without having any kind of technical knowledge. Without having any kind of technical knowledge, anyone can build these reports, build this analysis reports. Particularly, you mention always analysis. Okay, anyone with having very basic knowledge can build this OTBI analysis reports. So why we need to use OTBI? So what is the difference between BA and OTBA? So BA requires a lot of coding, lot of SQL knowledge and all these things. Whereas OTBA doesn't need any kind of coding. It's just a drag and drop interface. And security, it will provide inbuilt security. So with which user you are going to log in, those people can only view that particular data only. You don't have to separately build a security on top of the report. First of all, based upon your role-based access, you can able to build the reports and you can filter, sort and format the data. Flexibility and visualization. It's having a very good visualization, means that they will provide built-in graphs, charts, pivot tables and all these things. There are so many graphs would be there and you will be overwhelmed with all these kind of visualizations. So whatever the way you want to project the data, you can project it to your clients or customers. An export option. So it is having multiple options to export like Excel, PDF, PowerPoint or CSV, comma separated files. Okay, these are having export options. So what are the main benefits is there is no coding, security is built in, flexibility, visualization, and export options. So if somebody asks what are the different benefits of OTBI, you can say there is no need to have any kind of coding, and it will come with built-in security, integrated already, and flexibility. With the help of sorting, we can sort like whatever the way you want. And visualization, built-in graphs and all. And export, you can export it to PDF or Excel format or comma separated files. Okay, these are one of the key features. So OTBI architecture, so how it was built. So how OTBI architecture has built. The logical layer. OTBI does not require you to know the table names. So generally, so anybody know SQL, they know how to write a query. If anyone having any kind of basic prior SQL knowledge, you should remember the table names to pull the data, right? You should remember the table names to pull the data from the database. Whereas here you don't need to know any kind of table names, but instead you have to know the subject areas, means the business related subject areas. Always OTBI focus on the business side, the transactional side. You need to know what is the subject area, which subject area you want to get the kind of report. Okay. So subject area, this is a key important point, subject area. If you remember when you strike OTBA, the first point you need to remember is subject area. Okay. When you remember OTBA, the first point what you have to remember, Pranati?
Subject areas.
Subject areas. When somebody says OTBA, immediately your mind has to look for the subject area. Okay. Always you remember when you are looking for OTBA, you always look for subject area. I'll give a practical example. When someone of your friend is saying that India means what? India means what? India is a country. Everybody is Indian, right? But you want to deliver some post from US to India. How will you send the particular parcel? India, suppose if you say the address is India, it will come to India and your home.
No, sir.
No.
Landmark and
Yeah,
pin code.
tell me, Brahmu.
Yeah. Mainly we will give the address and landmarks, pin code,
Very good. Pin code.
and state-wise.
Very
State,
good. State-wise.
district and mandal.
District and mandal.
Mandal.
Very good.
And village.
Villages. Yes. Excellent. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Okay. So your friend want to send a parcel from US to India. Okay. So I'm telling the importance of subject areas here. Okay. So some of your friend want to send a parcel from US to India. So generally US is a country, India is a country. So automatically when someone wants to send a parcel to India, means it will not come directly to your home. Okay. So first of all, what is the first important point in your address? What is the first important point in your address? Door number.
Door number.
Okay. Let us take. Okay, let us take this is my apartment. Door number, flat number, or better it's flat number. Flat number 203. Okay. Palm Grove Apartments, KPHB, Kukatpalli. This one also I don't want to make it here. So this is a basic apartment name, Palm Grove Apartments, flat number 203. So if you say Palm Grove Apartments, flat number 203 means what? How come the parcel will come? There are so many Palm Grove apartments would be there. And we are not clear, but at least we are having some information. The name of the apartment is Palm Grove Apartments. And within the apartment, what is the flat is 203. And now, so where the apartment is locating? KPHB, Kukatpalli. Okay, so this is a place. Kukatpalli is a colony. KPHB, let us take, yeah, sixth phase. Within the Kukatpalli, there are phases of it. Sixth phase. So within the KPHB, sixth phase, and within the colony, this is the place. Kukatpalli is the name of the village or town. So Kukatpalli is a town. So now I have given Palm Grove Apartments, Kukatpalli. Now will the parcel will come to my home?
No.
Why it will not come?
Need the proper
Yes.
state.
Okay. And before going to state, what I have to give? District.
District.
Kukatpalli is a town. So Kukatpalli belongs to which district? Rangareddy district. Or let us take Hyderabad. Hyderabad is globally known. Okay, Hyderabad. And after Hyderabad, what I have to give? Telangana. So now it's getting something clarity is coming. So Hyderabad is a city. So there are two Hyderabad's are there. One is in Pakistan and one is in Telangana. Okay. So now Hyderabad and coming to Telangana. Telangana is a state. Okay. Telangana is a state. Okay. And now Telangana belongs to what? Telangana belongs to India. So now before going to here, I want to add one more important thing. So PIN number. PIN code is one of the important stuff. PIN code. PIN code is what? It's unique number, like person number. The person number is unique, right? In Oracle HCM, person number is unique. At the same time, PIN code is unique across India, right? Do you have any kind of two PIN codes with the same number?
No, sir.
No.
PIN code is very unique. Unique means what? There will be only one PIN code for one place. So 5000 85 and India. So now, when my friend sending a parcel from US to India, first of all, India, it will search for the PIN code because it is unique. So now, when I search for the PIN code, automatically it will get some of the address, like it is Hyderabad, belongs to Telangana state. Belongs to Telangana state. And now within the Telangana and Hyderabad, it belongs to KPHB, Kokatpalli, and KPHB sixth phase. Okay, within the sixth phase, the apartments, Pamguru apartments, and flat number 203. Okay, and now I want to add some more thing like landmark, so that it would be easy for near APJ Abdul Kalam Park. So landmark will give some more better understanding. So before going to the apartment, where is the apartments? There are so many apartments would be there near APJ Abdul Kalam Park. So this is how we are going to identify. So each and everything is an attribute: country, pin code, state and city, town, landmark, and the flat means exact address. Then the parcel will come to my home. Similarly, what we are going to have is in a subject area. We will be having a subject areas. Okay, we will be having a subject areas. So much data is there. So which data are you asking? How come we know? So much data is there. On which data? So in order to understand, we need to know which subject area. Okay, this particular address belongs to which city, which state. The same thing. These particular columns are attributes which you are going to build belongs to which subject area. Okay, let us take, there are so many subject areas. So for global HR, one is workforce management, person real time. Okay, or worker real time. There are multiple subject areas would be there. We will go through one by one. Subject, when you think OTBA, you have to think subject area. This is what I want to convey here. So that much important. Without subject areas, we cannot build OTBA analysis report. So everybody clear, right? Without subject areas, we cannot build OTBA analysis report. You just make a point, mark that word. Without subject areas, no one cannot build OTBA analysis report. This is one of the important point. Okay, folders. Within the subject area, there are so many folders would be there, and within the folders, so many attributes would be there. Just you have to click and drag and drop. Okay, and dimensions. This is called as attributes or columns, and facts or measures. So these are called the values. Suppose you want to find out the head count or salary amount or full-time equivalent, whatever the facts, you want to know the facts. Suppose I want to know head count in a particular business unit, in a particular department. Suppose how many people are working in a particular business unit, in a particular department. So today we are going to see exactly that one only. So that is a fact. Head count is a fact. Okay, head count is a fact. I want to build the report. So what are the things we are having? Attributes. In the folders, we are having attributes, that is called as columns, and facts. Facts also will be there in the same folder. And to get these details, to get the facts only, we are going to build the report. Okay, and within the report, what are the different values would be there is columns. So folders, subject areas, folders, attributes, and measures. So attributes, we'll call it as a dimensions, or in a layman term, it is a column. Measures is called as a facts in a layman term. For these values only, we are going to build the report. To get the facts or to get the details only, we are going to build the report. Okay, so what are the different common HCM subject areas we are having? Workforce management, worker assignment, real time. General details, they go to for general employee data, jobs, departments. Compensation, if you are working in a compensation module, compensation salary details, real time. Workforce management absence real time to get the leave balances. Workforce management person real time to get the personal details like phone number, email ID. So all these things. Suppose if you are building a report where you want to get the phone number, email ID, and address of the employees. So which subject area you have to check here? Brahma.
Workforce management.
Workforce management is already, we are having 3 subject areas with workforce management, right? I want to get a phone number of a particular person. So what
Personal.
is
Personal.
yes.
Right.
Yeah.
Person real time. Workforce management, person, real time. You have to remember some of the points for some of what you call which subject area, what are the different dimensions we are having, and what are the different facts it is going to give. You have to remember, and you will remember by practice only.
Okay.
Okay, so now we are going to build a proper report. Okay, so I want to get how many people are there in a particular business unit. Okay, this we will go through this. Okay, naming conventions. So we are going to build the report. So we have to save the report in a particular shared folder. Okay, you have to save the report in a particular shared folder or custom folder with proper names. So this is one of the important thing. So where you have to save the report, you have to go to shared folders and go to custom and create your own folder name and save it there so that we can access from anywhere. Limit columns. Don't select too many columns. Okay, this is one of the important criteria. In order to have a better performance, only select a few columns which are really important so that it will be improve the performance of the report. And always apply filters. So that it will prevent pulling so much of data. If you apply filter means what? You'll apply on top of that. Okay, in this particular business unit, what is the department? We select the department, you will retrieve only those particular details belong to the particular department only. And use always standard subject areas. Okay, so with this you will avoid hidden folders unless necessary. Okay, summary. So what are the key points we are going to take away from here is OTBI will always get the details which are really real time. Real time means which is actually the live data. And it's having a very good user interface and built-in security. You don't have to suppose let us take functional consultant is there. He doesn't have a HR specialist role. So can he able to build a report on for the particular headcount? Ayushman,
Sir,
as a functional consultant, he is just having a very few privileges, and he doesn't have a HR specialist role. And he go to particular area to build the report. He build the report. Will the data comes?
no, sir.
No, the data won't come. So the security will be built in. Even though you prepare a report, the data will not display. It will throw error. We will show that one also. We will see that one also. Even though you can prepare the report, but the data will not come. Only for the authorized people only the data will be published. For unauthorized users, the report will show, okay, error is there, some error is there, and we have to understand we don't have the privileges to access the data. And one of the important thing is when you think about OTBI, you have to remember the subject areas, and you have to remember what are the important subject areas or what are the top 10 subject areas to build all the important reports. And by default, visualizations would be provided. So you have to learn how to prepare reports like graphs, pivot tables, or all the interactive dashboards to transform that raw data into proper visualized insights. Okay, so this is all about the theoretical stuff. Okay, first time I have prepared so much theory. So before going to the practical, I want to going forward the classes would be like this only. So I will prepare all the theory in PPTs, and then we will go to a BRD document, and from there we will go to step-by-step document, and from there we are going to do in a application. Okay, I have logged in as a functional consultant. First of all, I have to go to Curtis.pt because he is the HR specialist. Change the password. Okay, change the password and reset the password. Click on the button. So now I'm going to log in as a Curtis PT, who is a HR specialist. Okay. Now we will go to the OTBI analysis. See, first of all, we will see what are the top 10 performance indicators. So that's why we are going to do the first one. So what is the actual head count and full-time equivalent? Now today we are going to build one report called head count. So in general, if somebody asks you, how many people are working in the company? So you have any kind of number. So let us check if CEO asks HR officer, chief HR officer, as of today, how many people are working in the company? Let us take 3,564. Do you have exact report to back up that one? So that is one of the important criteria, key performance indicator, right? So how many people are there? So I want to know exactly how many people are working today as of now. So that is one of the important key performance indicator for any company. So for that one, chief HR officer, what they will do is he will ask HR specialist to build the report, and he will showcase. HR specialist will build the report and he will showcase to chief HR officer. And chief HR officer, he don't build the report, but he will use the report to know the exact how many people are working as of today, and how many people have left organization in the last month, how many people have given resignation this month. So all these important criteria, important details will be known by the chief HR officer. And here, when all of a sudden, if CEO asks chief HR officer, I want to know what is the headcount as of today, he can open the report and he can do the presentation to the CEO. Always, all the important data need to be on the fingertips of the key executives. So that's why the important the reporting structure, the reports is very much crucial for the chief executive officers. Not only CEO, for any kind of executive officer who is going for a board meetings and all these things. So they have to have all the important details, all the important insights to be ready. And that is being backed up by the real-time data, not just by showing any kind of PDFs and all. When you run the report, it has to show the report. Okay, it has to be backed up by the Oracle. Okay, so now this is one of the key important indicator. So at this point of time, I want to focus only on headcount, and remaining we will see later point of time. Okay, so headcount. Why it is matter? The most fundamental metric for budget planning and capacity building. What is the subject area? What is subject area to get these details? Workforce management, worker assignment, real time. This is the subject area. And what is the fact column? What is the fact column? What are the different fact columns we are having is head count, or worker assignment, or full-time equivalent. And what are the different dimensions we are having? Department, business unit, location, based upon the location. So we can drill down by the help of location or business unit or department. Okay, so this is the fact. So I want to know the fact. What is the fact I want to know? I want to know the head count. And I want to know based upon the business unit, based upon the department, based upon the location. I want to build a particular report. Okay, today we are going to prepare this one. Okay, step-by-step configuration document for headcount analysis. So what is the subject area we need to open? Workforce management, worker assignment, real-time subject area. So that's when I told OTBI is we should always focus OTBI. We need to focus on subject areas. So now go to the application, go to the navigator. Okay, go to the navigator, go to tools, reports and analytics. This is the navigation for reports and analytics. Okay, go to the reports and analytics page and now click on browse catalog. Okay, now click on browse catalog. So this is called as OTBI. This particular, it will open in a separate page. Oracle Transactional Business Intelligence Catalog, OTBI catalog. So this is a different page. Okay, now go to, so it looks like this. The basic home page of OTBI looks like this. Okay, there are so many reports, dashboards. Whatever the dashboards we are going to prepare, all the dashboards will show here. Okay, all the dashboards will show here. Now I want to create a basic report. So go to here, click on create, click on analysis. So when you are preparing OTBI, so what you have to click? You have to click on analysis. So that's why always we are saying it's an analysis report. Okay, it's an analysis report. It's not a publishing report. When you are preparing a BA publisher, it's a report. When you are doing a OTBI, it's analysis report. It's a live data, live report. It's not a static one. BA publisher is a static one. This is a dynamic one. Every time it will change. But whereas once you publish BA report means it will not change. It's a static kind of data. Once you get all these details, then only you will prepare this report. Okay. Now I'm going to prepare one OTBI analysis report. Now click on, go to create, click on analysis. Now you will see select a subject area. So there are so many subject areas would be there here. Not only for HCM, it is common across Fusion. Fusion means what? Human capital management, financials, CRM, supply chain, everything will comes under Fusion. Risk management, enterprise performance management, project and portfolio management. Now all these details comes under higher education. So all these details comes under Fusion. So each and every real-time data will be available under subject area. Okay. So this is called a subject area. So now go back to the step. We have gone to tools, reports and analytics, browse catalog, click on create and analysis. What is the subject area we need to select? Workforce management, worker assignment, real-time subject area. Okay, select, copy this one. Search here, paste it here. So workforce management, worker assignment, real-time subject area. Okay, this is the subject area which we are going to work. This is the subject area which we are going to work. Now, I want to prepare a report. Okay, I want to prepare a report. I want to save the report. First of all, I want to create a name for the report. Now click on save. So where you are going to prepare, go to shared folders, go to custom here, go to custom folder. In that custom folder, you create your own name. Okay, anyone can create their own name and they can build their reports. So I want to prepare my own report. Click on plus symbol, future proof trainings. Okay, want to build the report in this particular folder called future proof trainings. Click on that one, create the particular folder called future proof trainings, and now save the name of the report as headcount by department. I want to know the headcount by department. This is the name of the report. I want to know headcount by department. Now click on OK. So what it has changed here? Headcount by department. The name of the report, the name of the OTBI analysis report has changed here. So on top of that, you can see headcount by department. Okay. So everybody understood till this point?
Yes.
Anyone feeling any kind of little bit complicated, complex, or everybody is okay? As we are doing first time, a little bit we are saying a different approach compared to functional. It's a little bit different because we need to go through the different folder structure and all. Okay. So with which one I want to get the detail headcount by department. So now I want to go to the, first of all, I want to go to the business unit. Okay, these are the folders. We have discussed, right? We will be having folders. We will be having a folders we have discussed, right? So what are the what is subject area we have taken here? Workforce management, worker real time. Okay, workforce management, worker real time is a subject area. Within that one, What is this folder I have taken? What is the folders I have taken? I have taken business unit. Expand the business unit and click on business unit name. Either you can double click or you can do drag and drop. Okay. As I have promised in the demo class, OTBI is just a drag and drop only. Okay. Now I have just selected this one, drop, drag and drop. Is it so? Is it easy or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now go to department. Go to department and select the department name. Select the department name and drag and drop. So business unit, department. Okay. Business unit and department. And after that, so I want to know the worker assignment headcount. Okay. I want to know only the active employees only, not all the employees. I want to know who are really having active assignments. Okay, who are having active assignments. Okay. Worker assignment. Okay, I want to. What is the column I want to know? Worker assignment. Assignment status type. Assignment status type is active or suspended. Suppose you want to search here. Assignment status type. Here, assignment status type. Okay. You can search here also. Assignment. Let us take a head count. It will take some time. Because there are so many fields should be there, so it will take some time. So that's the reason you have to better know exactly where in which folder these values will be there. Otherwise, anyhow, once you if you know the column name, if you search, it will go exactly to that place. But it will take some time because it's very slow. So I don't want to do the searching option. Assignment status type. Anyhow, it is alphabetical order. I want to drag and drop. Worker assignment details, assignment status type. Okay. I want to know only the active employees. So go to here. I want to filter. What I want to know exactly the active people. Okay. Assignment status type is equal to. So active, inactive, suspended. Which one I want to select here? Only the active employees. Select here active and click here to move to the selected place. And now click on OK. Now click on OK. So now I have applied a filter here. Okay, now I have applied a filter here. The same thing, I want to apply a filter in the business unit level also. Okay, I don't want to know all the business units. I want to know within only one business unit. In the particular business unit, I want to know the different departments. So I want to select what is the business unit. Generally, we will work for US1 business unit. So US1 business unit. I want to know within this particular business unit, how many headcount by department. Select that US1 business unit. Click on the move. Verify whether this is selected under selected box. And now click on OK. OK. So how can we know that whether this is filtered or not? Means come to the filter sections. Assignment status is equal to active. Business unit name is equal to what? Ayushman, what is the business unit name we have filtered?
Yes, sir.
US1 business unit. It will show under the filters.
Yes.
So what are the values you have selected columns, and within the column, what are the filters you have done? It will show here. Okay. So work assignment I have completed. And primary assignment. I don't want double assignments. I want to select only primary assignment. So primary assignment, what is the flag? Primary assignment should be true. go to primary assignment means you have to go to P. The primary assignment flag. There are 3 flags are there. Okay, now anything is common. Anything is fine. Primary assignment flag and search for the filter. Yes. Okay. Click on OK. No. And I want only the exact full-time equivalent. Full-time equivalent means what? What is meant by full-time equivalent means full-time equivalent is almost equal to employees. Okay, full-time equivalent is nothing but employees only. But sometimes if there are one position is there and 2 people are working, at that time it will be a different scenario. But 99% if there are nothing like that, full-time equivalent is nothing but an employee. Means who are permanent workers. Okay, I want to know that I don't want any kind of contingent workers. So exactly headcount by employees. I don't want any kind of contingent workers, or I don't want any kind of non-workers. All these things I don't want. I want only the exact employees. System person type. Just go to S, worker assignment details. Want to delete and add it again. System person type. Okay, and then primary assignment flag. What is the primary assignment flag should be? Primary assignment flag should be Y. Okay, and system person type. System person type should be, what is system person type I want? I'm looking for
Employee.
only employees. I don't want any kind of non-workers or contingent workers and all these things. I want only employees. Okay, just go to here and search for only employees and select this one and click on and verify whether this is coming in the selected box or not. This is important. Just if we click OK, it will not come. You have to click this move and you have to verify it is there in the selected section or not. Now click on OK. Now click on OK. Okay. So
Sure.
yes,
Oh.
Pratati.
Why we have removed this primary assignment flag, sir? Like initially we added, and again to add this person type, we have removed that as primary assignment flag, and again we have
Actually,
added.
I have taken from the wrong place. The primary assignment flag I have taken from the wrong place. I
Okay.
want to delete it again.
Okay.
System person. So I have to come from the actual folder. Worker assignment details only.
Okay.
Worker assignment details.
Details. Okay.
And
Primary assignment.
correct. Primary. You have to see.
Uh,
Primary assignment. Here only one flag is there. Primary assignment flag.
Okay. Earlier we have 3, when
Yes.
we added, yeah.
Something is fishy there. Means the data is not correct.
Okay.
Now just I have added. Click on OK. Okay. Now assignment status should be active. The business unit should be US1 business unit. Primary assignment flag should be yes. Okay. System person type. Why 2 times it came? 2 times it is coming. Assignment status. Okay. Want to remove this one. System person type is employee. Primary assignment flag is one. Assignment status. Assignment status. Assignment status is active. Business unit is. I want to change like this. Only we are not giving data for the department. Apart from that, all the details we are giving. Business unit, assignment status, type, system person type, and primary flag. Okay. And now I have given the data. Okay. Now these are the five attributes. So what is the important thing I want to know here? What is the important fact I have to add here? For which one I am building the report?
We have to count the people. Set that count.
So we need to add the head count. Okay, just double click it or just select and drag and drop it. Anything will work fine. You just double click that one, it will add, or you just drag and drop it. Okay, head count. I want to know in a particular department from the US1 business unit who are employees and who are having a single assignment, not multiple assignments. Okay, and assignment type is single assignment, and the assignment is primary assignment. Okay, and I want to know the exact that kind of head count. Okay, now click on results tab. So we have built the report. We have selected the columns and add the filters. We selected the columns and added the filters. So this is criteria. This is the criteria, the first tab. So once you are done with this, your criteria means this is a report criteria or analysis criteria. What is your analysis criteria? I want to select a particular business unit called US1 business unit. How many people are having how many people are working with single assignments, and that assignment should be the primary. Okay, now click on results tab. Okay, so headcount by department. So what is the department name? Accounting US. So accounting US, how many employees are there? How many employees are there?
21.
21. So in this particular department, applications and services, how many employees are there?
82.
12, 4. Okay, so like this we got. Now I want to go back to the criteria. Okay, I want to change the column, and immediately I want to see this one after the department. Now just I have changed that here, changed that to call moved aside. Now just go to the results. It is taking some time. So we are getting all the headcounts by department here. This is the department, and we are getting all the headcounts by department. So this is a basic report. Okay, total how many employees are there? Okay, sorry, this is not the total. We have to calculate exactly how many employees are there by total within the particular business unit. So this is how we need to build a report. So now I want to add some particular view. Okay, now I want to add some particular view, and I want to add a pivot table. Okay, I want to add a pivot table. So now go to here, click on pivot table. Okay, now here it is coming a department name and business unit. I want to build a pivot table. So I want to build a pivot table here. Just please verify carefully. What I have done. Okay. What I have done, I've gone to new view, click on this view, click on pivot table. Now drag here in the down. As of now we have not built pivot table. Okay. Now, so drag department name in the row. So department name. I want to create a particular filter based upon the department, right? Okay. So these are the columns. Okay. Which one I have to drag?
Department.
Okay. What is exceeded configuration maximum number of allowed output sections? Okay. We'll see this error later. So we'll go back to here. Now go to home page. So whatever the report you have created just now, it will show here. Headcount by department. Okay, we will quickly build that one.
Primary assignment. System percent.
When department I want to add. Okay, and I want to add this
Headcount.
count.
Headcount.
So where I have to go to head count? What is the folder I have to go to for a head count? No, assignment status. What is the value I have to give here? Active, and you need to select. This is the important one. Now click on OK. Click on OK. What is the business unit I want to give here?
Yes.
Yes, one. Business. Oh, primary assignment flag.
Yes.
Why?
System person type.
Employee.
and department. Okay, I'm not going to any value. I want to get all these values by running at the runtime dynamically. Okay. Now click on results. Okay. So this is the data. I think we have done some mistake in the pivot tables. I'll just check that one. Okay. So this is the data we are getting. So as a HR specialist, I'm getting the data. So with which user I have logged in here? Curtis Fitty.
Pretty.
With Curtis Fitty, I'm getting the data. Okay. Headcount by department. Okay. Now I'm clicking on save analysis. Okay. The analysis report got saved. Okay. Now click on home button. Okay. Now open the headcount by department. Now report is coming, right?
Yes.
Now the report is coming. Headcount by department. It is coming. The report is coming. Okay. Now what I'll do, I close this one and I log out as a Curtis Fitty. I'll close this browser. I'll open a new. Okay, sorry. I will open in a new window. Dev 47. Okay. So instead of Curtis Fitty is what? Which user Curtis Fitty is?
HR specialist.
HR
HR
specialist.
specialist. HR specialist will have so very good privileges. They're having so many privileges. Okay, for the HR specialist only, this report will be opened. So now I want to verify whether the report will be open for an implementation consultant. Okay, whether the report will be open for the implementation consultant. Okay. I want to create one implementation consultant. Okay. Now I want to create one user. Okay. The name of the user is, let us take application app.user1. Is an implementation consultant. Okay. Welcome one. Welcome one. Okay. So how he will become an implementation consultant, Pranati?
Sir, I didn't get the question.
No, I'm creating a user. So how we need to make this particular user as an implementation consultant? I need to add the roles, right? I have not copied
Yes,
the
sir, we
user.
have to add the
Do you have
application.
any roles here?
No, we have to add that.
No.
So which role I need to add for the particular user?
Implementation concept.
Application implementation concept.
Yes, role name.
I need to add application implementation
Implementation
consultant role.
concept.
Then only the particular user will have the privileges. Okay, and he will become an application implementation consultant, or in short form, he will become implementation consultant.
Yes.
Okay, I have added this particular role. He is an application implementation consultant. Okay, what is the user ID? App.user1 and
User
password
one.
is welcome1. Now click on save and close. Okay, now I am logged in with the particular user app.user1 and I want to verify the report, whether I am able to view the report or not. So we are discussing about the security part now. User. Okay, as an implementation consultant, can I able to access the report without having the sufficient privileges? So I'm going to verify that. Now go to tools, reports and analytics, browse catalog. So now with which user I have logged in? App.user1. Okay. Now go to home page. Okay, go to home page. So now, so are we able to see any kind of reports here?
No.
No.
So why we are not able to see any reports here?
Consultant.
Okay, now I'm going and I want to open this report which I have created from the custom folder, because it's anyone can access the report which is there in the shared folders. Okay, so go to shared folders, custom. What is the folder we have created? Future
Headcount.
proof trains.
Yes.
So this is the folder. In this folder, headcount by department. This is the report. Now click on OK. It is available. It is available for everybody. But based upon their security privileges or roles, only for the particular people, the data will be displayed. For other people, it will throw error. So what it is saying here? The specified criteria didn't result in any data. This often causing applying results. Please check the filters and try again. So the reason coming here is this particular person, app.user1, doesn't have a HR specialist role. That's the reason he is not able to access the data. He is not able to access the report. Now I'm going to do the same thing from a Curtis Fitty. I'm opening in a separate browser. Okay, go to tools, reports and analytics. Okay, reports and analytics. Go to browse catalog. For the first time, it will take some time. Okay, go to home button. So now we are able to see headcount by department, right? Just go to headcount by department. We will go as it is, like go to analysis. Sorry. Open go to catalog. Okay. Go to shared folders. Go to custom folder. Within the custom folder, where we have stored the report,
Future-proof trainings.
future-proof trainings. And now headcount by department. This is my report. Okay, now just click on open. Okay, are you able to see the report here? Are you able to get the details based upon the department? How many employees, how many accounts are there? How many employees are there? Here we are
Yes, sir.
getting the data.
Yes.
Here we are getting the analysis report. And for the application consultant, the same report, it is throwing error. So what is the reason, Brahma?
Yeah, we are saving in shared folder.
Both are in shared folders only, right?
No,
Because of
we are
security.
security purpose, sir. We are logging as an application implementation consultant.
Yeah, what is the reason, Ayushman? Can you articulate?
Yes, the earlier user doesn't have the privileges to access it.
Okay, so as a application implementation consultant, they don't have a access privileges. They don't have the roles to access the report. Only HR specialist users can only access the report. Any HR specialist can access the report, but not the functional consultant. Application implementation consultants cannot access the report. So here the security is inbuilt, or have you done any kind of our own security we have provided for the report?
It's inbuilt.
Inbuilt, sir.
It's inbuilt security. That's what we have discussed in the first point, right? It was inbuilt security. It was inbuilt security. You don't have to provide any kind of security for the data.
Sir, HR specialist only can make these OTBI reports, sir, or else.
No, not only HR specialist. Depend upon the privileges. Anyone can build. Anyone can make, but for those people to access the data, they should have access to the proper data. Means they should have a data role
Data only.
to
They
get the
should have
data.
a proper role to access
The
OTBI report.
data, correct. Suppose if a particular person is
But anyone can make OTBI
anyone
reports,
can make
right?
the reports, and if they have the proper data role, they can access the report also.
Proper means only this role should be enough for get access. Like now you showed, right?
No, what is
HR
data role? Tell
specialist.
me. What is data role? Tell me, Raju.
Job role plus security profile.
That's
The
it.
combination of these two. Yes, sir.
Job role plus security profiles. The combination of job roles plus security profile is called as a data role. When a particular person is having a particular job role with access to particular security profiles, he can able to create that report and access the data based on his security profiles. Not only HR specialist, anyone like benefits administrator or payroll administrator or talent specialist or anyone or absence
By
administrator.
by end of the completion of this OTBI reports, who can have this role like a data role?
Correct. Who are having the data role,
Can
they
access.
can able to access the data.
Okay, yes. Got it.
Okay. So everybody understood the concept.
Yes.
Yes.
Amani, have you understood the concept? Okay, Amani has left. Okay, Vamsi, have you understood the concept? OTBA. Okay, Bhavya, have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir.
Brahmam, have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir. I understood.
Charan, have you understood the concept of OTBA? Charan, are you there? Lauraju, have you understood the concept?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, Charan, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
So have you understood OTBA concept, the basics and the first sample report?
Yes.
Okay, so everyone, what is the assignment is? So by end of today evening, we are having a class at, okay, we will have a class at evening. So 7:30 or 9:30, which one is feasible for you, everyone?
For me, 9:30. sir.
Okay, so we will join again at 9:30. Okay, 9:30 to 11, we will be having class there. Please join again and we will take some other sample reports and we will prepare again. So what is assignment by before evening 9:30 is everybody has to build what is the report we have prepared for the head count. Okay. And you need to
Sure,
verify the
sir.
security privileges also. Okay. By creating one implementation consultant and you have to verify the security privileges is coming properly or not for the analysis report.
Okay, the report that we have created now, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. So that you will have understanding and you can explain better in the interviews. Yeah. Okay. And we are having class today at 9:30 in the night. So please join the class for OTBA again. So today and tomorrow also at morning 10:30 and tomorrow also at evening 9:30. Okay. So by tomorrow evening, we will complete at least 50% of the OTBA. Okay. And
Okay.
remaining 50% we will complete after the festival. Okay. And you are having some time to practice this OTBA. Okay. That's the reason I have cancelled today's functional classes also, so that you will have some time to practice the OTBI concepts in the Sankranti festival time. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, team. Thanks for your time and enjoy the day.
Thank you, sir. Have a good day.